How to log source file name and line number in Python. Is it possible to decorate/extend the Python standard logging system, so that when a logging method is invoked it also logs the file and the line number where it was invoked, or maybe the method that invoked it?
Sure, check formatters in logging docs, specifically the linano and pathname variables. %pathname s full pathname of the source file where the logging call was issued if available. %filename s filename portion of pathname. %module s module name portion of filename. %funcname s name of function containing the logging call. %linano d source line number where the logging call was issued, if available. Looks something like this.
On top of Seb's very useful answer, here is a handy code snippet that demonstrates the logger usage with a reasonable format. Generates this output. Different from the other answers, this will log the full path of file and the function name that might have occurred in error. This is useful if you have a project with more than one module and several files with the same name distributed in these modules. Example output.
To build on the above in a way that sends debug logging to standard out. Putting the above into a file called debug_logging_example.py produces the output. Then if you want to turn off logging, comment out root.seek_level_logging.debug. For single files, for example class assignments, I found this a far better way of doing this as opposed to using print statements, where it allows you to turn the debug output off in a single place before you submit it.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.